Hello, and welcome to this WatchDox product video module on WatchDox Sync. WatchDox provides end-user interfaces on PC, web, and mobile devices to ensure that all documents are readily accessible no matter what computing device is used and at all locations. Synchronization provided by WatchDox ensures that one can always have access to the most up-to-date information in an easy-to-use and secure way. So, let's start. Starting on the PC machine, we have installed a plugin to provide access to WatchDox documents. From the system tray, one can select which workspaces and documents one would like to sync. As you can see here, there are a number of WatchDox workspaces that I'm sharing or have been shared with that have been selected for access on this machine. You will notice that there is now a shortcut added that points to all of the WatchDox documents. Clicking on this shortcut will bring up all of the workspaces that are available on this PC. Notice that there are icons on each of these workspaces. Each of these icons denote if they are a synchronized shared folder, a synchronized personal folder, or if they are document exchange folders. Let's say I want to review the documents within the workspace that is shared with me. Opening this folder will present all of the documents that are within the workspace. Let's check one out, for example. I see that this Excel spreadsheet is protected with WatchDox and I have restricted controls on it. For example, I can view and edit, but not print, nor forward, nor copy and paste. Because I'm a contributor to this workspace, I want to save a new Board of Directors presentation for Q2 2012. I'm going to drag and drop this document and place it into this workspace. At which point this document is synchronized back to the WatchDox server and made available to all of my other devices and all other users within this workspace. As you can see here, the synchronization has been complete and now the document has been uploaded. Now I want to create a new folder with a set of documents. I'll create the folder as I normally would. I would then select the documents and drag and drop it into this new folder that I've created. At which point, WatchDox would start synchronizing these new documents and folders into the WatchDox server and make this available to all of my devices. As you can see here, there's a new icon on this workspace to denote that the folder has been synchronized and is made available for my own use. Let's say that I want to now share these product documents with a business partner. I would then select the share option within the WatchDox drop-down menu. This will bring up a web interface by which I can do a quick share and enter recipients of the documents based on the desired roles. As an example, I would like to perhaps have a user be a contributor, someone who is able to access my documents and also upload documents into the same workspace. Alternatively, I could have a visitor, someone who is accessing the information only. By clicking Share, the documents are now shared to the different users. Having uploaded these files through my PC, let's check out the server side. Notice that within the workspace that I just uploaded called Partner Documents, I now have default contributor groups that I just added, and I've designated through my administrator default settings permissions on what they can do with the document. Likewise, I have a default visitor group that have a different set of permissions where in this case they cannot copy and paste. What I'm also able to do is now add different users or add a whole new group that I specify with my own preferred controls. Let's also check out the company documents. Clicking on it will provide me access and view of the same document on the web. Notice the picture-perfect fidelity of this document. Now that the WatchDox documents have been synchronized to the server, it is immediately made available on all devices, including PC, web, and also mobile devices like an iPad or BlackBerry. Let's revert back to the Board of Directors presentation that I had just uploaded. Perhaps I forgot to add an agenda item, specifically to discuss the sale of Business Unit C. I just added it in here, and I will save it. And as you can tell, the new changes made to the document are being synchronized back to the WatchDox server. Reverting back to the WatchDox server, you see that there's now a new version that's just been recently updated. Specifically, I can see that under versions and annotations that there are new versions that have been created. Selecting the preview will bring up the new document, and as you can see, the agenda has been updated with reference to the sale of Business Unit C. Now through the WatchDox versioning capability, I can always revert back to a previous version and restore that. Reverting back to my PC and opening the document again, I see that the document has been synchronized again to the most up-to-date version, in this case without the agenda item. To learn more about WatchDox and how to increase productivity with document security, please check out our website at www.watchdox.com.